Hello everyone! Today I'm showing you how to set up a YouTube channel for your business. First step, make sure you're logged in to your business Google account. Head over to YouTube. Create. Now, pick your name and handle. Your name is your brand. Your handle is how people tag you. Once that's set, upload your profile picture. And hit Create Channel. Easy as that. Your channel is live. You can start posting videos immediately by hitting the Create button. However, to manage the back end of your channel, click on YouTube Studio. This is where you'll monitor your content, analytics, and insights. Then, head to Customization. This is where you add your description, website links, contact info, and banner image. Now you're ready to start posting.